Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. This video will detail the easy Turkish lahmacun at home. How to make minced meat without needing an easy pastry and mincing machine. Give detailed recipe. I will show all the materials we will use in detail. Materials needed for dough. 2.5 cup wheat flour sieved. 1 bowl of cold water. Half a spoonful of sugar. 1/4 spoon salt. Half spoon dry yeast. 1 tablespoon oil or olive oil. You can use a deep kneading dough. Ingredients for lahmacun. 400 grams of lamb, 400 grams of veal, 200 grams of lamb fat, bitter pepper paste, tomato paste, black pepper millet will be used to grind black pepper, bitter isoton pepper, green pepper, onion and parsley. A large knife should be used in this way to make the meats. You can use it if you have a small chopper at home. The mince prepared by cutting with a knife will be more delicious. Surgical glove may be needed. Carrots and lemons for the salad. You can use thick rollers or thin rollers to dough. A rectangular baking tray to cook the lahmacuns. If you have a round oven and you want to use the tray round, we will first prepare lahmacun dough and prepare other ingredients while waiting for rest. You can use a plastic deep dish that you can easily mix for dough. Add half a spoon of dry yeast. If you want to make yeastless, if you have stomach discomfort, do not use yeast dough again. Add half a spoon of sugar. Add salt in half a spoon. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or liquid sunflower oil. Add 1 bowl of water. Mix thoroughly for 1 minute until the dry yeast needs to be melted. Add 1 bowl of flour mixture. Add 1 cup of flour and stir. It may be necessary to add flour after understanding the consistency of the dough. Later half a bowl more flour was added. 2.5 cups flour was used for 1 bowl of water in total. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. After the dough is prepared, close it to dry. The dough will be held for about 30 minutes, and during this time other ingredients will be prepared. We will bring meat to mince without using a mincing machine. Use meat in frozen form so you can make your job easier. After the frozen meat is a little soft, chop finely. Mix lamb meat, tail fat, and beef. We use a large special knife after the meats are thinly sliced. I need to do this operation by dragging it a little bit. Add the necessary vegetables into the meat after the meat has reached a little mincing. One onion peel. Cut 5 green pepper stalks. Chop the onion finely. Chop the peppers thinly. These peppers are not bitter. Chop parsley fine. And this Turkish armor knife that resembles a big cord will be shredded and shrunk completely. Important material here needs to be watered. Even if you are preparing the material on the machine, be sure to knife the vegetables with a knife. Do not use tomatoes and do not add water into the interior. Add salt with eye drops. Add black isoton chili or red chili pepper. Bitter pepper paste. Add tomato paste. Add black pepper. Stir thoroughly. Lahmacun must have the consistency of this way. You can use a wooden or marble floor to open the doughs. Firstly, the hamper is divided into equal parts. As you can see, there are 12 pieces of Lahmacun dough with 2.5 bowl flour. Round the dough piece and then add some flour. You can easily open the dough with rollers or roller. Lubricate the base of the oven tray a little. Add 1 spoon on the dough from the mixture you prepared. Use both hands to place the domestic sponge on the dough neatly. If you use a round tray, you can make a big one-piece Lahmacun. Lahmacun's ready for baking. Proportion of domestic spices and dough. The oven you need to be aware of when baking Lahmacuns must be preheated. Place the single tray first in the middle of the oven. Set the degree to 190 degrees and set the bottom high cooking button to be open. Set the countdown for 7 or 8 minutes and cook the Lahmacun in the oven. You can prepare a simple salad while cooking in a Lahmacun. Lettuce, carrots, tomatoes and lemon will suffice. You can put it in between the Lahmacun. Lettuce leaves thinly. Grate carrot and mix with lettuce. Add the salad to the plate. Place tomato slices around the salad. After 7 minutes is full, then the lahmacun's are cooked. Place the second tray in the oven and set a 7-minute countdown in the same way. Place the lahmacun's on the plate. Serve salad with lemon and ayran. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish, and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.